Over the 4 newts, we journey into a world unseen by most, a world ruled by apex predators lurking beneath the surface. This is a world where survival is a constant battle, and the ocean's depths hold secrets that send shivers down the spines of even the bravest souls. We will delve into the harrowing true stories of human encounters with the ocean's most formidable creature, the shark. These are tales of survival against incredible odds, of courage in the face of unimaginable terror, and of the deep respect we must hold for the untamed wilderness that lies just beyond the shore. Join us, if you dare, as we count down the top 10 most terrifying shark encounters ever recorded. These real-life encounters will make you think twice before stepping into the ocean again. July 30th, 1945. The USS Indianapolis, recently delivering crucial components for the atomic bomb, is sailing through the Philippine Sea. In the dead of night, torpedoes from a Japanese submarine rip through her hull, sending the warship and nearly 1,200 men into the abyss. Nothing short of a miracle. 1916, the seemingly idyllic beaches of New Jersey become a hunting ground. A series of shark attacks over 12 days terrorize the coastline, leaving a bloody trail in their wake and inspiring the iconic Jaws franchise. Bethany Hamilton, soul of a surfer. In 2003, young Bethany Hamilton is living her dream, riding the waves off Kauai, but in an instant, her life changes forever. A tiger shark attack leaves her without an arm, but her spirit remains unbroken. The shark arm case. A mystery unfolds. In 1935, Sydney, Australia. A tiger shark, captured and put on display, regurgitates a human arm. The investigation uncovers a gruesome murder and a web of deceit, captivating the nation. Mick Fanning versus the Great White. In 2015, live from Jeffreys Bay, South Africa. Millions watch in disbelief as professional surfer Mick Fanning fights off a shark attack during the J-Bay Open. It's a gripping encounter caught on camera. Shirley Ann Durden, a life cut short. In 1985, at Peak Bay, Australia, a day at the beach turned to tragedy as Shirley Ann Durden was brutally attacked by a great white shark. Her death sent shockwaves through the community and highlighted the raw power of these predators. Reunion Island, a paradise under siege. Since 2011, the tropical paradise of Reunion Island has been plagued by a string of fatal shark attacks. The crisis ignites a heated debate about conservation, tourism, and the delicate balance between humans and nature. Lloyd Skinner, a champion taken too soon. In 2010, South Africa. Champion bodyboarder Lloyd Skinner is enjoying the waves with friends when a massive great white shark emerges from the depths, delivering a fatal blow. Todd Endress, saved by dolphins. In 2007, surfer Todd Endress is caught in the grip of a 12-foot great white shark. Just when hope seems lost, a pod of dolphins appears, forming a protective ring around him and driving the shark away.